Buying a home with this feature can boost your property value by 78%, and it has nothing to do with curb appeal, a kitchen, or a bath. Beverly Hills, California, 90120, right? The Hamptons, New York, and Tribeca, New York City are zip codes known for being home to some of the most expensive real estate in America. But get this, there is one feature of a home, a condo, a townhome, an apartment that has nothing to do with the footprint of the property itself, or even what it looks like on the inside. This is the one thing that can actually make a massive difference in the home's property value. Now, according to a report by the home warranty company American Home Shield, they just released new data for 2022. But this data revealed that a home's view can drastically impact the value of how much it's worth. Now, not all views will move the needle in the same amount, however. But there are three distinct styles that stand out. And that's either positively or negatively. So if you watch this video all the way to the end, you're going to learn some very interesting facts. Waterfront view increases a property value by 78.1% on average. A nature view increases a property value by an average of 44.2%. Yet a city view increases a property value by about 6%. So with more Americans working from home and reconsidering what a home really is due to the shaking up that was known as the coronavirus, home prices have hit record highs in 2022, in the beginning of 2022. But whether the economy is up or whether the economy is down, this home feature has drastically brought more money to homeowners. Now, in December 2020, a Gallup poll discovered that 48% of Americans would rather live outside of a large city, which was up 9% from 2018 figures. So it stands to reason that properties with views of bodies of water or the beauty of nature tend to rank higher on the value compared to cityscapes. Now, those higher home costs come with a heavy benefits for health. So in May 2021, the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found that exposure to nature is linked to healthier blood pressure, better sleep, more physical activity, as well as improved cognitive function and mental well-being. And we all know that when we're close to water, we feel like we're at peace. So if some body of water falls within your home's view or your condo, that translates into nearly 80% more in property value. And then compared to a similar home that has a less awe-inspiring view. Now, if you look at the country's most desirable properties, they overlook water. Think about it. Pebble Beach, California, Miami Beach, or how about beach homes in general, or Southampton Estates. You know, if these properties are out of your price range, you should check out Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, because in Myrtle Beach, you can still find a tiny condo right on the beach for under $200,000, or a home in a gated intercoastal waterway community for $600,000. And I'll put a link below if you want to look at some homes, just look at, see what I'm talking about. But no matter where you live in the nation, this waterfront trend is true in every single state. And here's an interesting fact. Even residents who are landlocked in Wyoming should expect to pay a largest difference in about 3 times as much for a lakefront home or a riverfront home compared to one without a view. So I'm going to ask you a question. How much do you think that a property on the beach will be worth 10 years from now? How about 15 years? Now here's one thing that we do know for certain. The allure of the beach and ocean is not going away. We are all drawn to water, and there's only so much waterfront property. Now this trend has been going on since the beginning of mankind. You know, even look back 500 years ago, the best properties and settlements where humans lived was near the water. And this is a trend that's going to continue into the future, even when we're gone. But if you had a crystal ball or a shiny bald head, I got a question for you. If you're betting on the future, Where would you invest? Where do you want to move? Where would you move? Go ahead and comment below, because I really want to know what's going on with you in your world. And I hope you enjoy these videos, because I do them for you. I just want to make sure that you're getting the accurate, most correct, up-to-date information instead of all the other stuff that's out there. And if you've already subscribed, you know that this channel has over 1,000 super helpful videos. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you do, and I do mean you, I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys. It's Jerry with Pinkas Real Estate Experts here in sunny Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.